not. Absolutely nothing at all.
You're telling me you had a comment?
He's recording me too. He's recording me too. Am I with him? Yes, absolutely.
No, it's good enough. It's good enough.
I'm taking care of this.
Okay.
Just please don't interfere. People allowed to record. Listen.
Yeah.
I can explain, but nobody really wants to hear an explanation.
dadkan waxay u imaadeen inay global mall oo ku yaal Columbus Ohio inay soo galaan ay ogaadaan wax walbo khalad iyo wax walbo xumaan inay ku sameeyaan rabaan Soomaaliya la iska ilaaliyo dadkan wax baan baarayna ay leeyihiin ma fahant wax baan baarayna ay leeyihiin
This guy is crazy.
kadib waxay news fake ay faafinayaan
You need to move out.
news fake
Everybody go inside. They gotta leave because I told them they are not allowed to go inside. They are not allowed to. They go inside. I'm gonna take them outside.
they can come inside right
No, they're not allowed to go.
Okay.
I'm here. That's why I'm here.
all right that's good
You know, people are crazy. They have social media. They have a YouTube. They have a TikTok. That's what they do.
Sir, who hired you? Netanyahu?
Nobody's paying us. I want to tell you something. Wait, I don't know if you were born here. I don't really care. We went in this mall with no plan of
الصومالية دينتنا كل جنادة وردلكينا الدفاع ورحيبهن الدفاع ورنتنياهو
but the question listen bro
ورنتنياهو اسكدعية
bro
ورنتنياهو اسكدعية ورنتنياهو اسكدعية ورق اسكدعية ورحينياها اسكالية وردينتنا الدفاع لا
listen bro listen
You pay the tax. You are not getting welfare. You are getting welfare. Get out of here.
I'm just curious about the sign.
You are the one who getting the welfare.
والصومالية دينتنا
You are
كلها
the guy. You are the one.
خبص الصومالية
waxay sameeyaan Soomaalida meesha businesska ugu furan ay tagaan kadib waxay sameeyaan fake news ay ka gudbinayaan fake news
Don't respond to him. Don't respond to him, man. Don't respond to him. Why do you respond? So he making money out of you.
of course
Just do what he knows he's making money.
run way dabacasir oo faraha ka qaad dadkan meeshooda iska taagnaadaan wardiinta waxay ka yaqaaniin mala dadkan dabacasir oo dadkan diin ma yaqaaniin
Don't worry. Do you know the meaning of Islam?